Dear students, good morning everybody. I am UK Singh from Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan Darbhanga. It is a geography class. Dear students, in previous class we discussed about Indus river system. Today we will talk about the Ganga river system, which is a Himalayan river. Dear students, the Ganga rises from the Gangotri glacier. The head streams of the Ganga are called the Bhagirathi and the Alaknanda. Dear students, sometimes an independent question is asked that what are called the head streams of the Ganga, or which are the head streams of the Ganga. So the Bhagirathi and the Alaknanda are the head streams of the river Ganga. They meet together at Devprayag. It means the Bhagirathi and the Alaknanda meet together at Devprayag, and the Ganga emerges from the mountains on the plains at Haridwar in Uttarakhand or Uttaranchal. The Ganga is joined by many tributaries. Now you will be eager to know that what is a tributary. So a river which rises from another point and meets the main river, that's why it is called, that is called a tributary. For example, as you know that the Ganga rises from the Gangotri glacier in Uttaranchal, while the Ghaghra rises from the Nepal Himalayas, but it meets with Ganga. That's why the Ghaghra is a tributary of the Ganga. So, the Ganga is joined by many tributaries rising from the Himalayas. Few of them, like the Yamuna, the Ghaghra, the Gandak, and the Kosi, are major rivers. It means tributaries of the Ganga, like the Yamuna, the Ghaghra, the Gandak and the Kosi, are major rivers. Now let me talk about Yamuna. So the Yamuna rises from the Yamunotri glacier. Where does Yamuna rise? So the Yamuna rises from the Yamunotri glacier. It flows parallel to the Ganga as its right banks. Right bank tributary. It meets with Ganga at Allahabad, which is famous for Sangam, where the Kumbh fair is held. The Ghaghra, the Gandak and the Kosi, all of them rise from the Nepal Himalayas. Sometimes question is asked, dear students, that name the tributaries of the Ganga which rise from the Nepal Himalayas. So the Ghaghra, the Gandak and the Kosi are the tributaries of the Ganga which rise from the Nepal Himalayas. These all rivers cause widespread damage of life and property every year in its flood paths in the northern plains. Dear students, as you know that every year the Kosi region is affected by severe flood and it causes large damage of property and life every year. Similarly, in Gandak regions like Khagaria, in 2004, there was a great damage took place there due to the severe flood in Gandak. That's why these all rivers cause widespread damage of life and property every year in its flood paths in the northern plains. The tributaries of the Ganga, some tributaries of the Ganga rise from the peninsular uplands also. Which tributaries of the Ganga that rise from the peninsular uplands? They are the Chambal, the Betwa and the Son. It means the Chambal, the Betwa, the Son, which are tributaries of the Ganga, they rise from the peninsular uplands. They rise from semi-arid areas. So, they have shorter course and carry very less silt and sediments with its flow. Semi-arid area means an area which receives less rainfall. That is called a semi-arid area. So these tributaries of the Ganga like the Chambal, the Betwa and the Son rise from semi-arid regions, semi-arid areas. That's why they have shorter course and they carry very less silt and sediments with them. Enlarged with water from its right and left tributaries, it flows eastwards till Farakka. It means the river Ganga flows eastwards till Farakka. It means it gets water, large water from right and left tributaries and flow eastwards till Farakka. It is the northernmost point of the